Ethiopian Airlines crash, what we know so far. The world woke up to the devastating news of the deaths of 157 people who were in an Ethiopian Airlines crash near Addis Ababa. This is what we know so far. Time of crash. An Ethiopian Airlines Boeing 737 passenger aeroplane, which was headed to Nairobi, crashed at 8:44 a.m., just a few minutes after it left Addis Ababa at 8:38 a.m. Flight ET-302 crashed near the town of Dlathu, 62 kilometers from the capital. Identities of the deceased. Although the crashed flight had flown to Addis from Johannesburg, none of the flight's passengers were South African. Citizens from 33 countries including China, America, and Italy lost their lives in the devastating crash. Slovak MP Anton Rinko lost his wife and 2 children in the crash, and 6 UN staff are among the deceased. None of the 8 crew members survived. Canada, Kenya and Ethiopia have the most fatalities, which add up to 59 for these 3 countries. Nigeria, Nepal, and Yemen lost citizens too. Cause of the crash. The investigation into the crash is ongoing. Ethiopian state media reported on Monday around lunchtime that the black box had been found. American aerospace giant Boeing offered the airline technical support to investigate the cause of the crash. A Boeing technical team is prepared to provide technical assistance at the request and under the direction of the U.S. National Transportation Board, it stated. Ethiopian Airlines CEO Tule Gebremariam said the pilot had reported difficulties to the controllers and was given clearance to return to Addis. Reactions of family members. 2 family members of the deceased spoke of their despair. Wendy Odiano said, "We're just waiting for my mom. We hope she took a different flight or she was delayed. She's not picking up her phone." Robert Mudantu, 46, who was waiting for his brother-in-law who was coming back from Canada, said no one had given them an update by 1 p.m. on Sunday.
Yeah.